we're going to start out with a few simple ingredients. I mean, this is going to be really easy to make. All you're going to be needing is about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, some vanilla extract, some kosher salt, and then you're going to also need some powdered sugar. So now to our mixing bowl, we're going to add our 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. Here go 2. Now we're going to start off mixing this on low. So this is about the consistency you want it to be at before you add your powdered sugar. So now we're going to add our powdered sugar to the mix. And then we're going to blend it in. So guys, off camera, I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, as well as I got another bowl and filled it up with some ice, and this is where I used my kosher salt. So then I just kept blending and blending until I got the consistency of ice cream. So after 10 minutes of steady mixing, this is what we came up with. This is our homemade ice cream, and you guys can eat it now, and this will be called soft serve, but I like to stick mine in the freezer for about an hour. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Until next time, peace.